When summer heat rises, your fish feel it too, and even a few extra degrees can mean the difference between thriving and barely surviving. Today, I'm sharing proven ways to keep your aquarium cool, safe, and stress-free, even on the hottest days. So here's the deal. Warm water actually holds less oxygen. That means your fish have to work harder just to breathe. Some fish can handle little changes, but a lot, especially tropical and cold water species, are at risk when things heat up too much. If you've ever seen a fish gasping at the surface, that's a clear warning sign. Let's start with the basics. Control the room temperature. Keep your curtains closed when the sun's blazing. Run a fan to keep the air moving. And if you can, keep the room under 78 degrees with air conditioning. Sometimes just closing the curtains during the hottest part of the day makes a big difference. Next up, aquarium fans and evaporative cooling. An inexpensive clip-on fan blowing across the surface can actually lower your tank's temp by 2 to 4 degrees. Just remember, more evaporation means you'll need to top off your tank more often, and always with dechlorinated water. Now for a quick hack I've used plenty of times, the frozen bottle technique. All you do is fill a plastic bottle with water, freeze it solid, and float it in your tank. It's a cheap, easy way to drop the temperature fast in an emergency. Just swap it out before it's fully melted to keep things stable for your fish. Another tip, reduce heat sources. Turn off any lights you don't need during the day, and double check that your heater isn't running by mistake. Natural daylight is usually enough for your fish, and every little bit helps keep things cool. I'll be honest, last summer, a week-long heat wave pushed my tank over 84 degrees. By using fans, frozen bottles, and keeping those curtains closed, I brought the temperature down safely. My fish came through just fine, and it's proof these little steps work. So keeping your fish cool in summer isn't hard. It's really about small, consistent actions. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our aquarium family. Together, we'll keep your fish healthy all year round.